This is the DK63. They're a mechanical keyboard. Let's unbox it. This is what the package looks like out of the box. Manual, keyboard, some accessories, and the cable. Let's get it open. This is what the keyboard looks like out of the box and everything. As you can tell, it is also wireless. It also comes with some accessories like the cable and this thing that is to change the keys. Let's look at the switches of the keyboard. The switches are blue, but there's different colors you can choose. Now let's do a sound test. Overall, really good keyboard. It's about 30, $40, so it's pretty cheap.